Good morning, I'm Mike Richards from Cycle Trader, and in this brief video I'd like to recap a trade that we recently entered and then exited in SOFI for well in excess of 100% gain, and the whole process was indicated with our Trading Vision proprietary tools. So SOFI was coming down into this low that we saw in early April, and you can see that our cycles were telling us that this was due to bottom. This is the dominant cycle here, and if we also add our composite cycle, which gives us an overlay of the net effect of all the cycles, it was expecting a low followed by a move up into around the third week of July. And as you can see, that's exactly what we ended up getting. So where did we enter? Well, we use primarily our cyclic tuned CRSI, and what we look for is it to come outside the dynamic bands and back in. That happened here, just coming off the low. What was also good here was that the pullback that we'd seen hit the 50% retrace of the prior move up. And we also saw some institutional participation at this point with some block trades coming in. All of this, by the way, is automated for you in the Trading Vision charting application that is proprietary to our service. We've also got the Cycle Trader trender indicating that we should go up. We also had our Brexit cycles tool that's also linked to our cycles engine telling us to go long. And you can see this is our indicators all firing long coming off that low. That allowed us to enter this stock as we came off here at $9.50. And as you can see, it moved immediately to the upside. That allowed us to do a couple of things. Firstly, we were able to put a hard stop here. We'd sold put credit spreads below the market and then just bought the stock with no leverage at this point. We added here at around the $10.80. We added again here at $11.80. And at this point, what we also had was two other things. Our squeeze indicator was indicating price compression. And as we broke out of there with positive momentum, we knew that we were going to get an accelerated move up. And indeed, our CRSI broke out above its upper dynamic band and we got another trend to sell, buy signal rather. And you can see all of the consensus of indicators firing long. This point here, we added more to the position, and we also took just straight calls. We didn't bother with any kind of spreads or anything else, and up we came. Now, we were looking for this to peak around the mid to late July based on our cycles tools in any event, but the exit signal came here. We got a shaded area on the CRSI. That's a warning from a higher time frame. The momentum was coming off with the squeeze having run its course, and then we got the trender sell signal. That then told us that we should be getting out, and it was shortly followed by the CRSI. That allowed us to get out right up near the top of this move, and we in fact exited this trade at $22.20. Giving us well in excess of 100% profits on that first position, enormous profits on the call options, keeping the premium that we banked on the sold put credit spreads, and so on and so forth. This was one of a number of trades that set up absolutely beautifully coming off those April lows that we were able to take advantage of in the service, giving us between 55 and 170% profit in some cases in a matter of just a couple of months. What we're now doing, of course, is looking at new watch lists ready for the next round of upside after what is expected to be a pullback in the market. If you like this video, please do remember to like it, subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about what we do or take advantage of a 7-day free trial where you can learn more about what we do with real-time live in our trading room, then follow the links below this video.